Hey there, everyone. Today I'm going to share a plan on how you can potentially double your income in just 14 days. A subscriber named Francis recently approached me with this very challenge. He was facing financial difficulties and needed a solution fast. So I'm creating this video to help him and anyone else in a similar situation. Segment 1. Assess your current income. Start by taking a closer look at your current income. Do an income audit by examining your earnings from the past few years. If your income hasn't been growing as it should, there might be two key reasons. Either you're overlooked in your current position, or you haven't been expanding your skills and knowledge. Segment 2. Identify your unfair advantages. Discover your unique strengths using the MILES framework: money, intelligence, location, education, and status. Think about what sets you apart. Then, seek out people with similar advantages, connect with them, and offer value. This can open doors and create opportunities. Segment 3. Maximize your current job. Differentiate between operational and revenue-generating roles in your current job. To double your income, focus on revenue-generating roles in sales, marketing, and finance. Prove your value to the company by showing how you can contribute to increased revenue. Certainly. Here are 3 tips on how to maximize your current job. 1. Prove your value to the company. To maximize your current job, focus on demonstrating your value to the organization. Go above and beyond your job description by consistently delivering high-quality work, meeting deadlines, and exceeding expectations. Show initiative and take on additional responsibilities when possible. Document your accomplishments and contributions to provide evidence of your value during performance evaluations and salary negotiations. 2. Continuous learning and skill development. Invest in your professional growth by continually improving your skills and knowledge. Stay up to date with industry trends and developments, and consider pursuing additional training or certifications. Demonstrating a commitment to self-improvement not only makes you more valuable to your current employer, but also enhances your long-term career prospects. 3. Build strong relationships. Building positive relationships with colleagues, superiors, and subordinates is crucial. Effective communication, collaboration, and teamwork can help you excel in your current role. Networking within your organization can also open doors to new opportunities and promotions. Being a team player and a supportive coworker can create a positive work environment and enhance your reputation within the company. Remember that maximizing your current job isn't solely about increasing your income, but also about growing professionally, gaining recognition, and positioning yourself for future career advancement. Segment 4. Invest wisely. When you have extra money, don't splurge. Invest wisely. Consider long-term investments and treat the invested money as if it doesn't exist. This approach can help your wealth grow steadily over time. Certainly. Here are 5 tips on how to invest wisely. 1. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is the key to managing risk. Don't put all your money into a single investment or asset class. Spread your investments across a variety of assets, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and even different industries within those categories. Diversification can help protect your investments from the ups and downs of individual assets. 2. Set clear investment goals. Before you start investing, define your financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or your child's education? Knowing your objectives will help you determine your investment horizon, risk tolerance, and the right investment strategy to achieve those goals. 3. Research. Before you invest, take the time to thoroughly research any investment you're considering. Understand the fundamentals, past performance, and potential risks associated with the investment. Look at historical data, and if you're investing in stocks, understand the company's financial health and future growth prospects. 4. Don't time the market. Market timing is notoriously difficult. Instead of trying to predict short-term market movements, focus on a long-term investment strategy. Investing consistently over time, such as through dollar-cost averaging, can help reduce the impact of market volatility and potentially lead to better returns. 5. Asterisk asterisk. Stay informed and rebalance asterisk asterisk. The investment landscape can change over time. Keep up with financial news and regularly review your investment portfolio. If certain investments have grown significantly or underperformed, consider rebalancing your portfolio to maintain your desired asset allocation. This helps ensure your investments remain aligned with your goals and risk tolerance. Remember that investing wisely is a long-term endeavor. Patience and discipline are essential, and it's often a good idea to consult with a financial advisor or expert to develop a tailored investment strategy based on your unique financial situation and goals. Segment 5. Seek a new position. If your current job doesn't appreciate your value, it might be time to explore new opportunities where your skills are better recognized. Finding the right environment that values your contributions can lead to a significant increase in income. Segment 6. Consider entrepreneurship. If you've been struggling to double your income through traditional means, consider starting a service-based business. This approach allows you to leverage your skills and start earning money right away. It can be an excellent way to supplement your income. So, I hope these steps help you achieve your income doubling goal. Remember, this process might not be instant, but it's a strategic way to work towards your financial aspirations. And for all our viewers, success in this journey requires dedication and persistence. If you're in a similar situation, don't give up. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and let us know how your income doubling journey is going. Subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and strategies to secure your financial future. Thank you for joining us today. And remember, the path to doubling your income in just 14 days is not easy, but it's possible with the right mindset and approach. I wish you all the best on your financial journey, and we'll see you in the next video.